Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. Unlock the power within a stronger you, a happier her. Unlock the power within. Imagine a life where you feel more connected, more vibrant, and more in tune with your own body and your partner's needs. Gentlemen, are you ready to unlock a secret to enhanced intimacy, improved health, and increased confidence? This journey isn't just about physical strength, it's about emotional and mental well-being too. Look no further than the power of Kegel exercises. These exercises are simple, yet they hold the key to unlocking a myriad of benefits that can elevate your life in ways you never imagined. These simple yet effective exercises target the often overlooked pelvic floor muscles, leading to a cascade of benefits that can transform your life. Strengthening these muscles can lead to better control, more endurance, and a significant boost in your overall health. Just like any other muscle group, your pelvic floor muscles respond to exercise, becoming stronger and more resilient. Regular practice can lead to improved posture, reduced back pain, and even better core stability. This isn't just about improving your performance in the bedroom, although that's certainly a welcome bonus. It's about creating a foundation of strength and confidence that permeates every aspect of your life. Kegels offer a holistic approach to men's health, addressing concerns like bladder control and prostate health. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're taking proactive steps to maintain your health and well-being. It's time to ditch any apprehension and embrace the Kegel advantage. These exercises are discreet, easy to do anywhere, and require no special equipment. All you need is a few minutes a day to start seeing results. Your future self and your partner will thank you. By investing in your health now, you're setting the stage for a more fulfilling, vibrant, and connected life. Unlock the power within and experience the transformation for yourself. Why every man should embrace the Kegel advantage. Imagine a life with fewer bathroom trips, especially during those late-night dashes. No more waking up multiple times, disrupting your sleep, and feeling groggy the next day. Kegel exercises can help you achieve that by strengthening the muscles that control your bladder. Picture yourself with newfound confidence and control, both in and out of the bedroom. This isn't just about physical health. It's about feeling good about yourself and your abilities. When you know you have control over your body, it translates into greater self-assurance in all areas of life. That's the promise Kegels hold for men. These exercises target the pelvic floor muscles, which play a crucial role in various bodily functions. By dedicating just a few minutes each day, you can reap significant benefits. By strengthening your pelvic floor muscles, you're not just improving bladder control, you're also enhancing sexual performance and satisfaction for both you and your partner. Stronger pelvic muscles can lead to better erections, more intense orgasms, and improved overall sexual health. Kegel exercises can lead to more powerful orgasms, increased stamina, and even better ejaculatory control. Imagine being able to last longer and have more control during intimate moments. This can significantly enhance your relationship and boost your confidence, but the benefits extend beyond the bedroom. A strong pelvic floor is essential for overall physical health. It supports the bladder and bowel, reducing the risk of embarrassing leaks and improving overall prostate health. This means fewer worries about accidents and more freedom to enjoy life. A strong pelvic floor supports the bladder and bowel, reducing the risk of embarrassing leaks and improving overall prostate health. This can be particularly important as you age, helping you maintain independence and quality of life. Incorporating Kegels into your daily routine is an investment in your long-term health and well-being. It's a simple yet powerful way to take control of your body and improve your quality of life. Start today and experience the Kegel advantage for yourself. Mastering the Squeeze Your Step-by-Step Guide to Kegel Mastery. Ready to embark on your Kegel journey? The good news is that these exercises can be done discreetly anytime, anywhere. Follow this simple guide to master the art of the Kegel and experience the transformative benefits firsthand. Warm up, preparing for pelvic power. Just like any other workout, it's crucial to warm up your muscles before diving into Kegels. Begin by taking a few deep breaths, allowing your body to relax. As you inhale, gently engage your pelvic floor muscles as if you're trying to stop the flow of urine midstream. Hold for a count of 2, then release as you exhale. Repeat this warm-up 5 times to prepare your pelvic floor for the workout ahead. Kegel holds. building a foundation of strength. Now it's time to build strength and endurance with Kegel holds. Contract your pelvic floor muscles, again imagining you're stopping the flow of urine. This time, hold the contraction for a count of 5 seconds, focusing on maintaining a firm and steady squeeze. After 5 seconds, release the muscles completely, allowing them to relax fully for another 5 seconds. Repeat this hold and release cycle 10 times, gradually increasing the hold time as your muscles strengthen. Quick squeezes, enhancing control and agility. For enhanced control and coordination, incorporate quick squeezes into your Kegel routine. Contract your pelvic floor muscles rapidly, squeezing and releasing in quick succession. Aim for 10 quick squeezes in a row, followed by a brief rest period. Repeat this cycle 5 times, focusing on the speed and precision of your contractions. These quick squeezes are particularly beneficial for improving ejaculatory control and preventing premature ejaculation. Cool down and embrace the transformation. Congratulations, you've completed your Kegel workout. Just like any other exercise routine, it's essential to cool down and allow your muscles to recover. Take a few deep breaths, focusing on relaxing your pelvic floor muscles completely. As you exhale, visualize any tension melting away, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Consistency is key when it comes to reaping the full benefits of Kegels. Aim to incorporate these exercises into your daily routine, gradually increasing the duration and intensity of your workouts as your muscles strengthen. Remember, progress takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Making Kegels a part of your daily routine. Tips for success. Incorporating a new habit into your daily routine can be challenging, but with these tips, you can make Kegels a seamless part of your day. The key is to integrate them into activities you already do, making it easier to remember and perform them consistently. Link Kegels to existing habits. Combine Kegels with everyday activities like brushing your teeth, showering, or even watching TV. By associating Kegels with these routine tasks, you create a mental trigger that reminds you to do them. For example, every time you pick up your toothbrush, let it be a cue to start your Kegel exercises. Similarly, while waiting for your conditioner to set in the shower, you can perform a set of Kegels. Even during commercial breaks, while watching TV, you can squeeze in a few exercises. This will help you remember to do them regularly. Consistency is crucial to seeing results, and these small reminders can make a big difference in maintaining your routine. Set reminders. Use your phone's alarm or reminder app to prompt you to perform your Kegel exercises throughout the day. You can set multiple reminders at different times to ensure you don't forget. For instance, a morning reminder can prompt you to do Kegels before starting your day, while an afternoon reminder can help you stay on track during a busy workday. Evening reminders can be a gentle nudge to perform your exercises before bed. Track your progress. Keep a journal or use a tracking app to monitor your progress and stay motivated. Documenting your journey can provide valuable insights into your improvement and help you identify patterns. You can note down the number of sets and repetitions you complete each day, any challenges you face, and how you feel after each session. Seeing how far you've come can be incredibly encouraging. It serves as a visual representation of your dedication and hard work, motivating you to keep going. Celebrate small milestones like completing a week of consistent practice or noticing an improvement in your muscle control. Be patient and persistent. Results may not be immediate, but don't get discouraged. Consistency is key. Like any other exercise, Kegels require time and effort to show significant benefits. It's important to stay patient and persistent even if you don't see immediate changes. Over time, with regular practice, you'll start to notice improvements in your pelvic floor strength and overall well-being. Stick with your Kegel routine and you'll soon start to experience the transformative benefits. These benefits can include better bladder control, enhanced sexual health, and increased core stability. The positive changes you experience will reinforce your commitment to the practice. Remember, Kegels are a discreet and effective way to enhance your health, improve your relationships, and boost your confidence. They can be done anywhere at any time, without anyone knowing. This makes them a convenient and powerful tool for improving your quality of life. Embrace the power of the Kegel and unlock a stronger, more fulfilling life. By making Kegels a regular part of your routine, you're investing in your long-term health and well-being. So start today, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey towards a healthier, more confident you. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thanks for joining me today on this journey.